Butuh mo yung makasama ko lasa. Mak.
सुने मोबाइल कैसे नो
महाराज एक भैक्टिसिन
victory
So after casting the vote, what will be your reaction?
Peace in Tripura and victory for our next generation.
Okay, sir. So what do you want to say regarding the security arrangement and the peace regarding this election?
Let the whole election day be over, and then I would like to make a comment on it. Let the entire process. I'm not for someone to celebrate too early and to praise too early or condemn too early. I think people of Tripura are very intelligent. They know what is right, what is wrong for them.
and how is the overall situation as of now?
Let's see, I'm getting reports from everywhere. I'll comment about it once I get the entire scenario in hand.
Till now it's peaceful.
No, in certain places there are certain problems. EVM, certain places, certain people are. So we are getting reports from everywhere. But I don't want to say something in front of the media and jump the gun. Let me get the entire report, then I will make a proper statement.